Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to download iOS 26 beta in iPhone or iPad. So guys, if you're using any iOS device and try to download iOS 26 in your device, so in this tutorial I will show you that how can you do this. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, open your settings, make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, and after this go back, scroll it down. From here disconnect your VPN if connected, and after this go back. So guys, firstly you need to check your new update in software update. If not find iOS 26 here, then you need to click on beta updates and you need to turn on developer beta, and after this you can see your beta updates here. And if still can't find that update, no need to worry, you have to open Safari, and here you need to search betaprofiles.dev. Here is the website, so you have to open it, scroll it down, and from here you have to click on developer option, click on it, and after launching iOS 26 you will see here you have to click on install profile and click on install and click on allow, and after this profile will be added to your settings. You have to open settings, and here is the profile, click on it, and guys now you can easily install from here. Click on it, and after this iOS 26 will be installed in your iPhone. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.